Dwi wedi cyrraedd Aberteifi. Dwi wedi cyrraedd Aberteifi. I've arrived in Cardigan. Notice we don't need the word in. Dwi wedi cyrraedd Aberteifi. It kind of means I've reached Cardigan. Dwi wedi blino ar ôl y daith. Dwi wedi blino ar ôl y daith. Treiglad meddal here because the word taith is feminine, y daith. I'm tired after the journey. Dwi wedi gwneud picnic I fwyta ar y traeth. Dwi wedi gwneud picnic I fwyta ar y traeth. I fwyta, treiglad meddal again there after the word I, to eat. Sometimes you'll hear the word wedi shortened to di. Dwi di gwneud picnic I fwyta ar y traeth. Dwi di gwneud picnic I fwyta ar y traeth. I have made a picnic to eat on the beach. Mae llew wedi colli ei fag yn y maes awyr. Mae llew wedi colli ei fag yn y maes awyr. Watch out for that name, llew. Sometimes I hear people say llaw, make an a sound. When we have that e next to a w there, we want to make sure we keep a good clear open e sound rather than an a sound. Mae llew wedi colli ei fag yn y maes awyr. Here we've got treiglad meddal because it comes after a, meaning his. Llew has lost his bag in the airport. Mae Llynos wedi anghofio ei phasbort hi. Mae Llynos wedi anghofio ei phasbort hi. Again, here's a different mutation. We've got treiglad llais here after a, meaning her. Mae Llynos wedi anghofio ei phasbort hi. Llynos has forgotten her passport. Mae Tudur wedi torri ei fraich e. Mae Tudur wedi torri ei fraich e. Yn y Gogledd, in the north and in other places in Nghymru and Wales, you might hear o at the end there instead. Mae Tudur wedi torri ei fraich o. Tudor or Tudur has broken his arm. Mae'r staff wedi glanhau'r ystafell o'r diwedd. Mae'r staff wedi glanhau'r ystafell o'r diwedd. The staff have cleaned the room at last. Mae'r cwmni teithio wedi canslo'r tocynnau. Mae'r cwmni teithio wedi canslo'r tocynnau. The travel company has cancelled our tickets. Dyn ni wedi cael amser da. Dyn ni wedi cael amser da. We have had a good time. We might also hear da ni wedi cael amser da. Again, a little bit more yn y Gogledd, an a sound there at the beginning. Dyn ni ddim wedi gweld y gerddorfa eto. Da ni ddim wedi gweld y gerddorfa eto. We haven't seen the orchestra yet. Of course, perhaps we might clywed y gerddorfa. We might hear the orchestra. Maen nhw wedi anfon fy sgidiau I yn y post. Maen nhw wedi anfon fy sgidiau I yn y post. They have sent my shoes in the post. Dych chi wedi bod yma o'r blaen, dwi'n meddwl. Dych chi wedi bod yma o'r blaen, dwi'n meddwl. Again, yn y Gogledd, you might hear da chi. Da chi wedi bod yma o'r blaen, dwi'n meddwl. You've been here before, I think. So we've had a bit of a go at trying to use that pattern of wedi. It's really versatile, so have a go at putting it in some brawddegau and let me know how you get on. Any problems with pronunciation or anything like that, just let me know on the Discord or on social media or drop me an email at tyfucymraeg@gmail.com. Hwyl am y tro!